So far, we have seen up to the level like in physical connectivity from switch stack and everything, from the PC up to the switch stack and hub room. How just have a look at what are the basic softwares we are going to use in general. Like when you connect to a network switch, you will use Putty. So this is the Putty software. So you can just Google it, like Putty download for Windows. Okay. So when you click on it, you will be directed to a link like this. Or else you can type how to install Putty to Windows. And there will be several links, one of which is this one. Okay. ssh.com academy. Or some of the YouTube videos as well, you can have a look. Connect to switch via Putty. Okay. So let's go for this one. So when you download the Putty file, you just need to open it and give a path and just select install and it will be installed. Okay. So it's generally when you install a software, you do the same process, right? So you don't need to bother much about it. So next, after the installation, you just need to connect your switch to this laptop or something where you install the Putty. So let's say you connected the console cable to the switch and to your laptop. Okay. So then you will open the Putty software. It will show up this window. And here, if you are connecting via console, you need to select this serial. Here you can see it's selected like SSH, right? So you need to select serial if you are connecting via a console cable. Okay. So I hope you might know what is a console cable by now. That's the reason where I pointed those things earlier, right? In our previous videos, you might have seen that. So from this serial, if you select it, and you can give a name for your session and load and save, it will be open. Okay, you can just open it. And in case if you want to select, like if you want to record what are the commands you are typing and what is the output you get, for those you just need to go to select this login. Okay, so from this login, there's an option you can select which way you wanted it to be recorded, to a text file or how it should be recorded. Okay. Then you can give the path, it will be recorded there and you can open it. That's it. It's for references. Let's say you open a Putty session and you type the commands and all. Then when there's a troubleshooting session with the tech case, Cisco tech case or somewhere, so those guys, when they ask what happened, and you can give the text file to them, so they'll refer to it and they can guide you through what are the next steps and all. Okay, so it's a general process. These things we were doing in it. So let's say you just open this one and that's it. If you refer just if you type like how to install Putty or how to connect network switch via Putty, those things you can easily clear out. Okay, so in case if you are connecting, let's say not via console cable, here you can see it's selected SSH, right? This is for when you configure the switch and you are remotely connecting to your switch, not via a cable or something. You just select SSH and you give the IP, it will be connected via your name. If the switch, network switch and your lap is those are connected via network, you can easily reach out. Okay, and SSH mainly we are using it's for a secure protocol. Okay, rather than telnet, SSH is secure. Okay, and here the SSH port number is 22. Those things I'll cover later. And also when you connect a console cable to your network switch, whether it's connected or not, you need to verify that one. In order to verify, you can go to device manager right click on your Windows icon and go to device manager, and here under ports, if it is connected, it will show. Okay, since I am not connected to any network switch, or I'm not using any console cable by now, it's not visible here. But if you refer to any other videos which they explain, like in physically when they connect and explain, you can have a look how it should be. Okay, you just need to go to device manager and check whether your COM port is connected on. Console cable, I hope you might know now. Already I have shown in my previous videos. Okay, this is the console cable, and nowadays you can see A45 which goes to the network switches console port, and other side you can have USB cables as well, or micro USB for the, instead of RJ45 you can connect a micro USB port for the this one for the network switch. Okay, here you can see those details. Okay, so if you refer a few videos on this, you can understand what I'm pointing out.